If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Very interesting, because this was a level that we spoke about in yesterday's update. We said that after topping out over here, which is also the 786 fib, it's the deepest retracement level, and so that we would come back down to this key level, which we saw us getting bounces from, and it was from here that I was suggesting if we are actually bullish, then we must now break out above the 786, taking out the 1 fib level, which is $35,140, to get a pump to 35.6 to 36.2k. We had this initial pump, guys, within this last 4-hour period. In fact, there's 2 hours left of this, so it's happened in the first half of this candle where price has had this massive surge. We saw a lot of Twitter pages posting about this breakout, saying the moon is coming, but as you see, before it was actually confirmed, we've now come back below. We've still got 2 hours left. We can climb back above the 786 in the next 2 hours, but this was showing that the bulls were there. But when we got into that key level, and this is marked out, can you see there's a box between this point and this point over here, and this so happens to be the CME gap, and we keep running into it as resistance today, showing us this. So it's this level that needs clearing, and that's why we've been waiting for 35.1k to be broken, and then we will get this continuation. But as it maintains as resistance, if it keeps failing to break out, guys, remember this was the level that we need to hold to break out. We got the breakout. It's failed. It's confirming it as resistance if in the next 2 hours we get a close underneath $34,760. And then we continue to range in between these two prices. If we see 34k being lost, you can come down to this wick. So $33,930, so $70 below 34k. And then losing this is where we create the reverse wave, or the beginning of the reversal wave. If we now go from the low to this new high, we can see the golden pocket is there. The 786 is slightly lower. Essentially, guys, if we're going ahead and failing to break out of it, eventually losing this as support and hitting our heads on it, and then taking out the 55 moving average, then we're starting this deeper correction down. But it's quite boring at the moment, simply because we're still within the range, and we know that within the range it is boring. It's just, yeah, there was a little bit of excitement today because we started to see the breakout to the upside, potentially validating these higher price targets. But as it seems that we have got a rejection from the CME gap right over there, and then it looks as if this is still our top. We're back within the range. We're just waiting for either the top to be broken, we know the levels, and the lower end to be broken, which is that 55 moving average. And then we're actually going to get some movement, which is finally going to be exciting. But until those very moments, it's going to continue to be in this boring range. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We're 300 subs away from 7k. Let's get there as quick as we can. We're fighting this YouTube algorithm on a daily basis, so if you can help, it's really appreciated. Other than that, that's it from me today. If you guys want to get educated, use the links in the description down below, and private message me on Twitter if you want group mentorship, live lessons every single week, by joining the Discord community. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.